Hello and welcome to your bonus Fit Kit content. I am Mia Votapka, a registered dietitian and chef here at The Faster Way, and today we are going to be making a protein-packed granola bar using the granola that is found in your Fit Kit. So today you are going to need the granola in your Fit Kit. You are also going to need some natural nut butter of your choice. We are using an almond butter today. You're gonna need some pink Himalayan salt, some chocolate chips, either mini chocolate chips or large chocolate chips, your favorite protein powder, maple syrup, or you can use another sweetener like date syrup, some vanilla extract, and a little bit of coconut oil. All right, let's get started. So we are gonna get going with the almond butter first. All right, we're gonna get started with some nut butter. So you can either use natural almond butter or you can use some cashew butter or peanut butter. And you can measure, but I like to do things by eyeball. So we're gonna add in a little bit of almond butter here. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. We're gonna add that right there. We're also gonna add a little bit of pure vanilla extract. You wanna make sure you're buying pure vanilla extract and not imitation or any kind that has added sugars or oils. Start stirring this together. I'm just using a fork. You can also use a whisk. The point is to just stir it together. Now we're gonna add in a little bit of real maple syrup. This is where you could also use dates or a date syrup. You could also use some honey as well. So we're gonna add a few tablespoons. And we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna keep stirring this together. And the next thing you wanna do is you wanna add your favorite protein powder. Get the almond butter to mix in with the protein powder. Protein powder is absorbing all of that oil from the almond butter. And then we're gonna come in with our granola that we have in the Fit Kit. And we are going to add the granola. We're just gonna add all of it right in there. And we are gonna start to just mush in our granola. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. The maple from the granola, and I smell the pecans. Right next to me, I've prepared a square baking dish, and it is lined with some wax paper. This is gonna make it so we have easy removal. All right, so we're gonna take our mixture, we're gonna pour it into this prepared pan, getting it all out, and then we are just going to come in here and break it up so it's nice and even before we start patting it in. You can take the back of your measuring cups to help you out. We're gonna make it nice, firm. All right, so we have some chocolate chips here that I just melted down in the microwave in 30-second increments until it was nice and smooth. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of coconut oil. That'll help us when we go to cut these bars later from the chocolate snapping. I'm gonna pour this right on top of our bars here, and we're just gonna move this around. Nice evenly coat our bar, and then I'm going to show you a trick that I do to take it to the next level. I like to take a little bit of salt and sprinkle it on top because this just takes the bar to the next level. It gives you that sense of, what is that? We're gonna go ahead and take these and stick them into the freezer and freeze them for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're gonna cut them into equal pieces. All right, I just pulled our bars out of the freezer. They're nice and set on top. It's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull them out. Look at that, easy cleanup out of the container. And then you wanna use a nice chef's knife if you can, or something to cut it with. Right now I'm just using a basic kitchen knife that we have here. And you just wanna cut it into the pieces that you're most comfortable with your serving size. So you could cut it in half and in half again. All right, look at those. Nice, yummy bars. All that protein that's in there. And there you have it, our protein granola bars using the maple granola found in the Fit Kit. Try this recipe and let us know what you think.